Hi, this is Rich with the C21 Soul team.
And Lanawin.
And welcome to our latest listing. We are in Sunnyvale.
This is 1261 Manzano Way. We have 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1108 square feet on a big lot.
Now everything has been completely remodeled inside. You've got new HVAC, new interior, new flooring, even a brand new kitchen. Now I like that it's so amazingly close to all the high-tech Bay Area companies such as Intel, Apple, NVIDIA, and so much more.
Welcome and take a look inside. I love the open room concept for this home. You have the living room right here where you can see your guests coming in, and it opens to the kitchen.
I'm here in the kitchen, and one of my favorite features is you got wall-mounted shelves here on the backsplash, which is a nice fish scale design. You've also got quartz countertops, and you've got a huge island here. Now, in addition, you've also got stainless steel appliances, you've got a gas stove, you've even got newer cabinets with soft closing hinges. Now I'm in one of the rooms, and this room is perfect for a home office because you have such a large space, you've got vaulted ceilings, and you've got the perfect view of the backyard here with no neighbors looking in.
We have this large master bedroom with high ceiling, beautiful view of the backyard with dual pane windows, a nook for that work from home office or even a makeup table, and an open closet. You have brand new garage door with motor and Wi-Fi capabilities. You have this immaculate backyard that's huge with a running trail in the back, as well as this mature avocado tree.
I'm a Mandalorian. Selling homes are part of my religion.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to message us.